Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and how can you make water walk and make some rainbow colours? Find out. Today we're going to do the walking water experiment. So what you need to do this experiment is simple. You need 7 cups, and they need to be clear cups in that regards. To get them all on the table, just about. You also then need some food colouring, so you'll need some red, some yellow and some blue food colouring. You'll also need 6 kitchen bowl squares and obviously some water. So what you're going to do is you're going to pour water into 4 cups, okay? And you want to fill them up around about 3/4 of the way. So it's around about 3/4. So there we are. So all my cups. So I've got this cup and then this cup, leaving a empty cup in between all of them. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you need to just make sure that they're going to fall off. Not what I'm like. So then what you need to do is, this is where you need your goggles, because remember, safety is super. So what you need to do is, you can read, you want to put some red food colouring into the first and the last. I think that's enough. Then you want to put the blue one in one of the cups. I've gone here. That. And then you also want the yellow one to go into the other cup there. And then you want to give each one of them a good stir. And there we are. So what you should now have is you should have 2 red, a yellow and a blue. Now then what you're going to do is, with the paper towels, is you're going to fold them in half and then fold them in half again. Okay. And then you want to fold them like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put in between 2 cups. So for example, the red cup, you're going to put one end in the red cup and the other one in the empty one. And then the same applies. One end in the empty one, the blue one empty, empty blue, yellow, yellow empty, empty red. So that's how you're going to obviously do this. So like that. What you might already be noticing is that the colour and the water are being absorbed in the actual cups that do have the colour. So now what you want to do is you want to sit back and wait. So it's been 24 hours since we did the experiment, and if you notice, we have obviously our reds, we have our blue and we have our yellow, but in between we have obviously green. We then also have almost orange colour here, and then here we have obviously like a dark violet purple colour as well. So you'll also notice that obviously red and yellow together make orange, yellow and blue together make green, and blue and red together make a violet purple colour, and that is what has happened. So the instant of it is it's something called capillary action, and it's how plants get water from the roots. So obviously the water doesn't come down, it absorbs from up in the roots, and the same applies here. So what happens is the paper towels or the kitchen bowl absorb up the water, which obviously we coloured in various containers, and so that obviously sucks up almost like capillary action, and then once it gets to the top, then gravity obviously takes on and puts it down the other side. The colours mix in the empty cups together, and therefore we get orange, we get green, and we get purple. So there we go. So if you've enjoyed this experiment, then don't forget to obviously give this a like and share it around, because that's what it's all about. It's about sharing these amazing ideas and these really cool scientific type stuff. And if you haven't already, then this month is the only month you can get one of these Oggy badges. So if you haven't already, then do so. The link is in the description of how to be a part of that. And if you've enjoyed obviously our videos and you like our content, then consider subscribing, please. I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye!